So I came across this Marvel cinematic intro by Ashdroid using CapCut. So I decided to recreate this intro with InShot. So a big shout out to Ashdroid for providing the material used for this intro. I will leave the link to download the material in the description. And also guys, check out Ashdroid Channel. It's got a lot of wonderful tutorials that you can learn from. So make sure you watch the video till the end and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, open InShot photo editor, tap canvas, set it to 16:9 and change the background to black. Next, add the Marvel text and make sure you are using the Marvel font which is included in the material. Increase the text size and save your video. Now open video editor and add the first material. Move 3 frames forward and add the overlay text. Clip it to the end and tap autofill for full screen. Go to blend and select screen to remove the black background. Move forward and split the text into 2. Now add the last material with PIP. Tap full screen. Go to blend and select the overlay. Split the overlay according to the area you split the text. Then delete the last part of the overlay. Select animation and add fade out animation at 2.5 seconds. Let's see how it looks. Now the last part is the text animation. Select fade in at 2.5 seconds. Go to blend, reduce the value to 60 and add a keyframe. Add a keyframe and at the end increase the value of the blend to 100. So this will automatically add a keyframe at the end. So here is the final result. Thank you so much for watching and more Cards for you. Peace.